Right, now, as everyone has asked me how I make my foam on my resin sculptures, I have mixed 40 mils of 40 grams of just resin, art resin together. Right, now the secret is snow. It's a bit fluffy and all over the place. You just add your snow to your resin. That's about enough. Now, if you want to build up a wave, you need to let this sit for I'm not quite sure, but you need to let it sit for a little while just to so you've got the movement that you can make with it. But today I've got a wave that I've made that's basically, it's not really a wave, it's just a form of a wave, and I'm going to put it on this just to show you. I will also let it sit for a while so I can show you some other ways of doing. So with that, just bring it down gently to the wave that is happening. Okay, I'm going to leave that like that. Let's see how it looks, and then I'm going to, any sharp edges, I'm going to come back and I'll do something with the, still got quite a lot left, as you can see. I'll let it sit for a while and then I can show you how I work with it when it sits. So I'll be back probably in about an hour and see how we go. Okay, well, it's been an hour, so I've got this one that I haven't quite finished off, so I'm going to have a go at, we'll put some foam on it. It's still a bit wet like. We'll put some down here. It should be able to move it around a bit now. Give it the make it stick. Okay. And this will actually go, it will, in its own time, it will just drop a bit, so it makes a drop to the bit of foam on the back. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing, but turn it around. And what we can do, just show you that. What we can do is put some on, some plastic, what's left, so that you can use this then by thin bits, and you can use it to put on your waves or your paintings. Just pull that out. Spread it. And if you just break bits up, you've got the fab on a painting. There, we'll leave that and we'll put something under it. Put a bit of movement. You can always use that as your second layer of your wave. I've also going to, looking at this one again, needs a bit more on it. Oops. A bit more here. I'm going to grab a bit of here. Put a bit here. Sweeping. Okay. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more of making different kinds of waves, just comment on the bottom and I will get back to you and do what you would like me to do. I would like to let you know that I'll be doing some of my Great Barrier Reefs Under the Sea artwork soon, which I've sold a lot in that series, and if you'd like to learn how to do it, then I will show you my system of doing it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and if you like what you see, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.